Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tzachi and in my channel you will find videos of new and vintage Apple products. In today's video we will go through all the main improvements of the new AirPods third generation, which was announced lately and received a complete redesign. Just to let you know, this video is only the first peep, and more videos regarding this product, including comparisons between the AirPods Max and Pro, will be uploaded soon. So if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, that way you will receive all new updates. And now let's dive in, and first let's see what we have in the box. As we can see, this is the new packing with no plastic cover, just as the iPhone 13 models. Inside the box we have the envelope with the regular documents. No Apple sticker logo included. These are the AirPods, the charging lightning to USB-C cable. And now let's take a deeper look at the AirPods. At first glance, we can see that the packing has received a complete redesign and is very identical to the AirPods Pro. As we open the cover, we can see that the AirPods have also been redesigned, and now it looks like also like the Pro models. I would like to hear from you what you think about these models' new design. Write me a comments below. And now let's see the main changes between the second and the third generation. The first change is that now you can charge with the MagSafe. A single charge lasts up to 6 hours of listening time and up to 4 hours of talking time. 5 minutes of charging in the case provides around 1 hour of listening and talking time. This is a great improvement in comparison to the previous generation and also to the AirPods Pro. For those who use the AirPods in the gym, note that now they are sweat resistant, but pay attention. Apple emphasizes that it is only resistant to sweat, so don't try to put them in the shower or the swimming pool. Its chip is the same H1 as the previous generations. Its connection to the iPhone is quick and simple as all Apple products are. Let's see how simple it is. Are you ready? That's all, we are connected. This is the time for the real thing. Let's feel how comfortable it is in the ear and the quality of its sound. It's really comfortable, even more than the Pro model. The quality of its sound is crazy, friends. Let's take a look how it works. Press 1 of the sensor to play or pause music or answer the phone. Press twice to forward the song and press 3 times to skip back. Press and hold for Siri or just say, "Hey Siri." In conclusion, Apple has made a real upgrade between the generations. Its design, better sound, easier to operate, battery life and resistant to sweat, and for all the improvements, it cost $179 in comparison to the second generation, which cost $129. For those who have the second generation, you will absolutely feel the improvements. Just take into consideration the size is bigger, so the feeling in the ear will be different. Guys, that's all for today, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. I'm off to listen to some music. Have a great day.